In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer account login icon in Shopify. By the end, you'll have customer accounts enabled and the sign-in link ready to appear on your storefront, so shoppers can quickly log in and manage their orders. First, open your Shopify admin. I recommend doing this on a desktop browser so everything is easy to find. Once you're in the admin, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. From there, go to Customer Accounts. This is where Shopify controls both how customers sign in and how the sign-in link appears across your store. On the Customer Accounts page, switch to the New Customer Accounts experience if you haven't already. Shopify may prompt you to update. When you see the prompt, confirm the change and click Update. This moves your store to Shopify's newer passwordless account system. It's more secure and far easier for customers because it removes the hassle of forgotten passwords and reset emails. Next, choose the sign-in method that says, "Customers sign in with a one-time code sent to their email. No passwords." This option sends customers a short, time-limited code each time they sign in. It reduces friction at checkout, lowers support requests around passwords, and generally improves conversion because people can get in with just their email address. Now scroll to the section labeled Sign In Links. This is the control center for making the customer login visible to shoppers. Inside this section, you'll find options to surface the login link or icon in your storefront header, and to access a direct sign-in URL you can place elsewhere if needed. Turn on the relevant setting here so the sign-in link appears in your theme's header. Many online Store 2.0 themes will automatically display a person-shaped icon in the header when customer accounts are enabled. If your theme supports it, this toggle ensures the icon or link shows up without additional edits. After updating these settings, make sure your changes are saved. Then, open your storefront in a new tab and refresh. You should see the account icon or a sign-in link in the header. If you don't see it immediately, clear your browser cache or check that you're viewing the published theme. Some themes also include a header setting labeled something like Show Customer Account Icon. If your icon isn't appearing, double-check that in your theme's header settings as a quick troubleshooting step. That's it. You've enabled new customer accounts, set passwordless login, and exposed the sign-in link so shoppers can find